episode of Tips, Tricks, and Tweaks. My buddy Shadow would like to share his experience with you. These 18-inch G-Wagon Mercedes wheels come with a stock 265/60 R18 for the G-Wagon, that is. But if you downsize the tire a little bit to 255/55 R18s, they don't rub and you don't have to trim the fenders or anything like that, such as you do with the bigger tire. Another way possibly to get around that is this little coil support kit that would be installed right there. And I don't think we need to do that for this van because it has the smaller tires. So Shadow says we'll hang on to that for his van. Hey, Shadow.